The DSLR killer is on its way. What's up guys, we have our first look at the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra, the phone that will produce images that are close to as a DSLR as possible. I am not saying this, some of the most reliable leakers in the game have released the groundbreaking image quality expectations from this monster camera setup on the back of the Mi Ultra. Where Sony IMX800 sensor will be used. Sony recently stated that the smartphone cameras by 2024 may outperform the DSLRs. The latest Sony IMX800 on the Mi 12 Ultra will show us the glimpse of how close we are to that level. Guys, do not sleep on this phone, as this may very well be the true ultra flashy smartphone of 2022. What you are looking at right now is the official CAD-based factory design of the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra, and it's actually very accurate to the final deal. Just like last year's Mi 11 Ultra, Xiaomi just went all out with the look of this phone, giving it the most ridiculous, monstrous smartphone camera look ever. We have got a back camera bump with the Leica branding, and then we have a circle that consists of almost 8 sensors. Right in the middle system is the biggest Sony smartphone sensor in the history, which is going to be the IMX800. Then we have dual periscope lenses, which we don't even see on the S22 Ultra. If you don't know, the S22 Ultra only has one periscope lens and one standard 3x zoom lens, whereas this thing is offering a proper dual periscope lens system. So it can actually zoom up to 20 times. There's another sensor on the left hand side which looks almost as big as the main sensor. I think it is probably going to be the ultra widening lens. Clearly this thing is looking absolutely insane. As to the front, it looks very similar to the last year's Mi 11 Ultra and Galaxy S21 Ultra. We are going to see the best quality Samsung OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate technology. Guys, really keep an eye out for this smartphone, and I think this will be a blast for this year. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.